A timer function has been added to Squirrel, and sometimes the best way to understand how it works is to use it. So I've built this whack-a-mole style game with a squirrel theme. The game uses a timer to move the squirrel into a random position. The timer repeats a set number of times, and each time the player clicks the squirrel, their score is incremented. The player can also change the level of difficulty and restart the game. There's no code involved here, the game works using a mixture of spreadsheet logic and Squirrel components and functions. If you'd like to build this game for yourself, I've written a how-to guide with step-by-step instructions that you can follow, so either click the link in this video or in the description below. The game should take between 30 to 45 minutes to build, and of course there's other things that you'll learn besides timers, such as using the data mover function or generating and using random numbers. So if you haven't tried Squirrel yet, download a trial today and have a go.